Friends, welcome to my channel NCRT Class 11 Chapter 7 Structure Organization in Animal Organ and Organ System. In the preceding chapter, you came across large variety of organisms, both unicellular and multicellular of the animals kingdom. In unicellular organism, all function like digestion, respiration, and reproduction are performed by a single cell. In the complex body of multicellular animal, the same basic function are carried out by different group of cells in well-organized manner. The body of simple organism like Hydra is made of different types of cell, and the number of cell in each types can be thousand. The human body is composed of billions cells of perform various functions. How do these cells in the body work together? As you have already learned in your early classes in the multicellular animal, a group of similar cell along with intracellular substance perform a specific function such as a organization is called tissue. You may surprise to know that all complex animal consist only four basic type of tissue. These tissue are organized in specific proportion and pattern to form an organ like stomach, lungs, heart, and kidney. When two or more organs perform a common function by their physical or chemical interaction, they together form organ system, digestive system, respiratory system, etc. Cell tissue, organ, and organ system split by the work in a way that exhibit division of labor and contribute to the survival of the body as whole. Organ system, the basic tissue as you have learned in early classes. Organism to form organ which in turn associated to form organ system in the multicellular organism. Such as the organism is essential for more efficient and better coordinate activities of billions of cells constituting an organism each. Organ in our body is made of the one or more type of tissue. For example, our heart consists of all the four types of tissue: epithelium, connective, muscular, and neutral. We also notice after some careful study that the complementary organ and organ system display certain discernible trend. This discernible trend is called evolutionary trend. You will study the detail in class 12. In this chapter, you are being introduced to morphology and anatomy of frog. Morphology refers to the study of form or extremely visible feature. In the case of plant or microbes, the terms morphology precisely means only this. In case of animal, this perform to external appearance of the organ a part of the body. The word anatomy conventionally is used for the study of morphology of internal organ in the animals. You will be learn the morphological anatomy for frog representative vertebrate frog. Frog can live both on land and in the fresh water and belong to class amphibia or phyla chordata. The most common species of frog found in India, Rana tegina. They do not have the consistent body temperature. Their body temperature varies with the temperature of the environment. Such animals are called cold-blooded. Pillow thumb. You might have also noticed change in the color of frog while they are in grass and on dry land. They have the ability to change the color to hide them from their enemies. This protective coloration is called mimicry. You may also know that frogs are not seen during the peak summer and winter. During this period, they take shelter in deep burrows to protect them from extremely heat and cold. This known as summer sleep estivation and winter sleep hibernation respectively. Morphology. Have you ever touched the skin of frog? The skin is smooth and slippery due to the presence of mucus. The skin is always maintained in a moist condition. The color of dorsal side of body is generally olive green with dark irregular spot. On the ventral side, the skin is uniformly pale yellow. The frog never drink water but absorb it through the skin. Body of frog is divisible into head and trunk figure. A neck and tail are absent. Above the mouth, a pair of nostrils is present. Eyes are blurred and covered by the nectine, member that protect them while in water. One either side of eyes, a membranous septum, receive sound single, the forelimbs and hind limbs help in swimming, walking, leaping, and browning. The hind limbs and is a five digit. They are larger and muscular than four limbs that end in four digit. Feet have a webbed digit that help in swimming. Frog exhibit sexual dimorphism. Male frog can be disgusting by the presence of sound production vocal sac and also as a compulsory fat on the first digit of the volley, which are absent in female frogs anatomy. The body cavity of frog accommodated different organ systems such as the digestive and circulatory, respiratory, nervous, excretory, and reproductive system with a well developed structure and function. The digestive system consists of alimentary canal, digestive gland. The alimentary canal is short because frog and carnivorous, and hence the length of intestine is reduced. The mouth open into the buccal cavity that leads to the esophagus through the pharynx. Esophagus is a short tube that opens into the stomach, which is turned continue as the intestine rectum and finally open outside by the colon. Liver secrete bile that is stored in that gallbladder. Pancreas, a digestive gland, produce pancreatic juice. Heart, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, lungs, fat bodies, stomach, kidney, urethra, urinary bladder, cocker, intestine, stomach, rectum. Cockapachan. Diagrammatic representative of internal organ of frog showing complete digestive system. Containing digestive system, food is captured by the boiled tongue. Digestion of the food takes place by the action of acyl and gastric juice secreted from the walls of stomach. Partially digested food called chyme is passed from stomach to the first part of small intestine, the duodenum. To the duodenum receive the bile from gallbladder and pancreatic juice from the pancreas through a common bile duct. Bile emulsify fat and pancreatic juice digest carbohydrate and protein. Final digestion take place in the intestine. Digestive food is absorbed by numerous finger-like folds in the inner wall of intestine called villi and microvilli. The undigested soiled waste moves into the rectum and passes out through the colon. Frog respire on the land and in the water by two different methods. In water, skin actor and aquatic respiratory organ. Continuous respiration dissolve oxygen in the water is exchanged through the skin by diffusion. On land, the buccal cavity, skin and lungs act as a respiratory organs. The respiration by lungs is called pulmonary respiration. The lungs are pair of elongated pink color, sac-like structure present in the upper part of trunk region. Air enter through the nostril into the buccal cavity and then to lungs. During estivation and hibernation, gas exchange take place through the skin. The vascular system of frog is well developed closed type. Frog have lymphatic system also. The blood vascular system involves heart, blood vessels and blood. The lymphatic system consists of lymph channel and lymph nodes. Heart is a muscular structure situated in the upper part of the body cavity. It has three chambers, two atria and one ventricle, one and is covered by the membrane called pericardium. A triangle structure called sins venous joint the right atrium. It receives blood through the major veins called vena cava. The ventricle open into the sac-like contents arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. The blood from the the blood from the heart is carried to all parts of the body by the arteries, arterial system. The veins collect blood from different parts of the body to the heart and form the venous system. Special venous connection between liver and intestine as well as the kidney and lower part of the body are present in frog. The former is called the hepatic portal system and latter is called the renal portal. The blood is composed of plasma cells. The blood cells are RBC, red blood cells, erythrocyte, WBC, white blood cells, leukocyte, and platelets. RBC are nucleated and contain red-colored pigment, namely hemoglobin. The lymph is different from blood. It lacks few protein RBC. The blood carries nutrient, gases, and water to the respective sites during the circulation. The circulation of blood is achieved by the pumping action of muscular heart. The elimination of nitrogenous waste is carried out by well-developed excretory system. The excretory system consists of pair, kidney, ureters, colca, urinary bladder. These are compact, dark, red bean-like structures situated at little positions in the body cavity, one both sides of vertebral column. Each kidney is composed of several structural and functional units called uriniferous. The tubules or nephrons, two ureters emerge from the kidney in the male frog. The ureter acts as the urinogenital duct which opens into the colca. In female, the ureter and oviduct opens separately in colca. The thin wall urinary bladder is present ventral to the rectum which also opens in the colca. The frog excretes the urine, thus is a urinotelic animals. Excretive was carried by blood into the kidney where it is separated and excreted. The system for the control coordination is highly evolved in the frog. It includes both neutral system and endocrine gland. The chemical coordination of various organ of the body is achieved by hormones which are secreted by the endocrine gland. The prominent endocrine gland found in frog: pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pineal body, pancreatic acid, adrenal, and gonad. The nervous system is organs into central nervous system, brain, and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic. There are pairs of cranial nerves arising from the brain. Brain is enclosed in a bony structure called a brain box. Cranium and hindbrain forebrain include olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemisphere or unpaired rectum. The midbrain is characterized by the pair or optic lobe. Hindbrain consists of cerebral and medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata passes out through the forebrain magnum, continue it spinal cord which is enclosed in the vertebral column. Frog has different type of sense organ, namely organ of touch, sensory pulpit, taste, bud, smell, nasal epithelium, vision, eyes, and hearing tapetum with internal ears. Out of these, eyes and internal ears are well organized structure and rest are cellular aggregation. Around nerve ending eyes in frog are pair spherical structures situated in the orbit in skull. These are simple eyes only until can be seen externally. The ear is organ of hearing as well as balancing equilibrium. Frog have the organized male and female reproductive system. Male reproductive organ consist of pair yellowish wood tasted figure which are found to the upper part of kidney by the double fold petroneum called vasa. Differences are 10-12 in number that arise from testes. They enter the kidney on their side open into bladder. Finally, it communicated with the urinogenital duct that comes out the kidney open into the colca. The colca is small median chamber that is used to pass through in a fecal manner. Urine is supplied to the exterior. The female reproductive organ include a pair of ovaries. The ovaries are situated in nickel, the kidneys and their so function connection with kidney. A pair of oviduct arising from the ovaries open into the cloaca separately. A mature female can bear the 25 to 3000 ovaries at a time. Fertilization is external and takes place in a water. Development involves and larval stages called tadpole. Tadpole undergo metamorphosis to form an adult. Frogs are beneficial for mankind because they eat insects and protect the crop. Frog maintaining ecological balance because they serve as an important link of food chain. Food web in the ecosystem in some countries the muscular legs. Frog are used as flood by the men. Cell tissues organ system split by work in way that ensure the survival of the body as a whole and exhibit division of labor. A tissue is defined as a group of cells along with intercellular substance performing one or more function in the body. Epithelium are shaped like tissues lining the body surface. It cavities, duct, lobes, epithelium having one free surface facing a body fluid on the outside environment. Their cells are stably and functionally connected at junction. The Indian bullfrog Rana trigena is a common frog found in India. Body is covered by a skin. Mucous glands are present in the skin, which is a highly vascularized and help in respiration in frog on land. Body is divided into the head and trunk. At a tongue, a muscular tongue is represented, which is boiled. The tip is used for capturing the prey. The alimentary canal consists of esophagus, stomach, intestine, and rectum, which open into the colon. The main digestive gland are liver and pancreas. It can be respiratory in water, through the skin and through the lungs or land. Circulatory system is closed with a single circulation. RBC are included. Nervous system is organized into central, peripheral, autonomic. The organ of urinogenital system are kidney and urinoduct, which open into the colon. The male reproductive organ is a pair of testes. The female reproductive organ is a pair of ovaries. A female lays 25,000 at a time. The fertilization and development are external. The eggs hatches into tadpole, which metamorphic into a frogs. Thank you for watching.